Today I'm going to show you how to make the arrow dollar. First, you can grab $1, $5, $10, $50, $20, $100, I don't know. And first you start by folding it. The next step is to, you do this. It should look like this now with the crease here. Next, you grab right here, this is where it gets a little bit off the hook. You do that, and you do the same on the other side. If the sides are uneven, well, why don't you try again? Okay, next, you fold it like, this is where it starts to get, this is like where you have trouble with the point, folding it. And you do the same thing on this side. I messed up a little bit, so don't get confused. Next, you fold again. Now, the fold should look like this. You do the same side. And you do the same on the other side. And then you open it, and then it should look like this. Now let me try to fly it. It flew very well, so that's how you make a dollar arrow.